Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into cloud storage account, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL of your cloud storage service. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Look for the login or sign in button on the home page. Click on the login or sign in button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Carefully input your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly. If your service offers a Remember Me option, you can select it for easier access in the future. For added security, check if there's a two-factor authentication option. If enabled, you will receive a verification code on your phone or email. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Once all information is filled out, click on the Login or Sign In button. Wait for the page to load your account. If you encounter issues, check for any error messages. Make sure you're connected to the internet. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Once logged in, ensure you log out when using a shared device. Your cloud storage account is now accessible and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.